Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly, and
Me, Dave.
we thought today we would bring you the Universal. What is it called? Universal
Universal
Yums.
Yums.
I'm not gonna lie, I saw Angie do it, and Angie Lupus Life, link down below. But I saw her do this, and then one day Dave said, "What do you think about trying the Universal Nut Yums?" I keep calling them Num Nums. And I was like, "Oh, Angie does the unboxings," and I thought, let's
Saw it on
try it.
Instagram.
Yeah.
So we got this is our first box,
Mm-hmm.
and
We're gonna try this with the
open
dog.
it up here. And so we got Italy. So these are all snacks from Italy. Lay down, you'll be good. So let's see what we got. They have a little booklet here of, I guess, you got trivia, Italy in 60 seconds, how to make a unique fettuccine.
Oh, unique.
So it has a little booklet here with all kinds of little
Ask me a trivia. I bet
tips
I
and
know it.
tricks.
Ask me trivia.
All right. In 2017, the Genoa airport relaxed liquid laws to allow which of the following? A. Pesto, B. Red wine, C. Marinara, D. Cologne.
I'm gonna say wine. My dog.
The answer is A. Pesto.
I was right.
The new law allows tourists to bring home a full
wasn't.
jar of the signature basil, parmesan, and pine nut blend, which was invented in Genoa.
I make a kick-ass pesto.
All right, so
Right?
let's see what kind of snacks we got.
Right?
Here. Yep.
Okay. See, husband. Don't you just
I'll
love
give you a little
them?
card here. Welcome to Italy, and a Yum scoreboard. I guess you rate how everything tastes and which one's your favorite, and they give you, if you love these Yums. We got, I think we picked a 5
This is ridiculous.
dessert box, but they give you
Because look at us, we love it desserts.
some
down.
additional treats. As they said, if you like
Lay
these
down.
treats, you'll also like these treats. So,
All right, lay down.
and then you get to vote on an upcoming
Lay down.
box. So it says, where would you like to go next? And they have New Zealand, Indonesia, and Australia. So I guess maybe you send this back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to see.
All right, that's enough. Settle down, Bob. This is a puppy. He gets very
And
excited,
They'll give you a sticker
and he doesn't listen.
with the Mona Lisa and
Oh.
the bar of chocolate.
Oh, I'll have to put that
saying,
on.
Greetings from Italy, from birthplace of the world's most valuable painting, the Mona Lisa. All right, so let's see what we got here.
All right. Oh my God, look, he's going.
Lay
Lay down, bud.
So our first treat.
This is our life. I'm so sorry. He loves
Oh, my
ears. He loves ears.
First treat is Alfredo's potato chips,
Oh, you want a treat?
truffle
Wait.
flavored.
Just wait.
Alfredo's truffle
Be good.
flavored potato
Be
chips.
good. You get a treat.
Okay, so let's do a smell test. Smells like potato chips to me.
Yeah, it smells like potato chips.
Okay, so we'll try one.
Oh, I can taste it.
Mm.
It almost tastes like what? Parmesan?
Maybe. It tastes like salt and pepper to me.
Mm.
Like salt and pepper
Yeah,
chips.
that's what it tastes like.
Salt and pepper chips. That's what it tastes like.
They're good. And our
Yeah,
we
they
put
are
the
good.
puppy out, so you're gonna hear him cry. Sorry.
We got another potato chip here from Italy. Amica ketchup flavored potato chips. Which I know we have ketchup flavored potato chips here in America, but I've never had them before. Have you?
Never wanted to.
Yeah, me neither.
Till today.
So let's see what these ones. Smells like ketchup.
Oh shoot. It smells like barbecue sauce ketchup when you make it homemade.
Good. It's like barbecue chips.
It's like too. It tastes like when you walk into a restaurant and there's plates on the table and people had like ketchup that they used and you smell that ketchup smell. Am I the only one?
I like them. Those I may have to buy some American ketchup potato chips. All right, next we got Laurieri Master Baker's Amarettini Crispy Almond
I can get
Cookies.
into that.
Nope. Oh, I was going to say no calories. It says no coloring.
No calories. What is it, air? Goodness.
Oh, dear. Oh, they're tiny. They look like...
They look like cookie cereal.
Crisp.
Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Crunchy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, those are good. Oh, those are really good.
Mm-hmm. They're good.
Mm-hmm. They taste like amaretto cookies.
Yeah, they're a little bit sweet.
I'll eat the rest of those. You can have the ketchup.
Hmm?
I said, you can have the ketchup chips. I'll have the rest of those.
There's a lot in here. I ought to have some of these.
Tastes like an amaretto cookie. It's really,
Okay,
really good.
next. Buon dolce. Orange carrot cake. I guess that's what it is. It's a cake. It's real soft. It looks like a cake.
I'm sorry for him crying. Otherwise, he gets...
Ooh.
We're trying to train him. He's a maniac.
Ooh.
As you can see, Sheila is good. Okay, break that in half.
Oh, there's something in between. It's like a layer cake.
Give me some of that Buono Dolce. Which is cream. Tastes like orange. Not really as orangey as I like it.
That's
Good though.
Almost like a tasty cake, but
That's what I was gonna say. It's like a tasty cake.
it's a better tasting
and
cake.
a better sponge to it.
Yeah, it's a real nice sponge. I guess the carrot cuts down the orange flavor. Next up,
I like the orange flavor.
from Terra Loro, Terrellini Limone Pepe.
Ooh, lemon pepper something. More chips?
I guess they're cookies. No, they look
No,
like little
lemon
cookies.
pepper cookies?
They look like those bagel chip things.
No smell. No taste.
You get no lemon whatsoever. You?
No. Those have no flavor.
A little bit of the heat from the black pepper, but
That'd be good in soup.
no lemon flavor. We had these, we had the rosemary ones. Like rosemary.
From Marshall's or something we got.
Yeah. Yeah, not a fan of those. Bland.
We'll end up giving those to the dog when he comes in.
Ooh, chocolate. Nocciolato Novi Chocolate Passion since 1903. Chocolate bar with Italian hazelnuts. That's my kind
Oh,
of. Right
Nutella-ish. Well, we thought he was going to bang his way through the door. So far, so good. Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Oh, that's good. That's some good chocolate.
Is there a piece left?
Mm-hmm.
Save that for Emily.
That's good.
That's really good. Luther, lay down. Sorry.
And last but not least, we have this. I don't know, it's called the Yum Bag. I guess it's a bonus bag, maybe a grab bag. Let's see what's in here.
If you're interested in this box, and there's a link, we're going to put it down below for you to check it out if you're interested. Oh,
Okay,
hello.
So we have two seltz sodas. Two seltz soda.
Is that the kind of fizzy
candies?
candies?
Yeah, it has to be like this. Yep, let's look at lemon. And then we have two tiramisu candies. Serini. Try that one.
Okay.
Figure we better finish with the lemon.
Oh, it's the chocolate. Looks like that. Chocolate all the way through.
Like a truffle.
Like a truffle. It tastes like a truffle. Oh my god.
Tastes like tiramisu.
Oh, is that good? That's really good. Oh, yeah. It does taste like tiramisu. It has like it at the end. That's good.
We'll try the seltz soda hard candies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, starts like fuzzing as soon as you put it in your mouth. Putting that part out.
What?
Yeah, it foams up in your mouth.
A lot. That's what she said.
We have candies like this here too. I forget what they're called, but
Fizzies or something, aren't they? Fizzits?
maybe. But yeah, good.
Not mad at that. It was
It's a good
good.
box.
This was like the smallest one, right? Or the middle one? How much was
I don't
this?
know. I think it was $16.
Oh, okay.
$16.99 with free shipping, and yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 snacks. So let's
That's
rate
good.
it.
All right. My favorite
What's your favorite?
is the last chocolate one.
The tiramisu.
That was. Then I like the other chocolate one. Then I liked the fizzy candy. And then I liked, what else was there?
Well, my top 3.
Are we only doing top 3? Are you cutting me off?
I'm gonna give my top 3.
That's my top 3.
My top 3 is the orange cake.
Oh, that was good.
I like that orange cake. And then I like the chocolate bar. The
Novelli?
Novelli. Yeah, and then I like the tiramisu. After that, what do you pick?
I love the lemon thing.
The lemons were, yeah, the lemon was good. And
What's those little cookies? Yeah,
yeah, the
those.
amarettis, they were
Yeah.
amarettis.
And then that's it. I didn't like the
Martinis.
ketchup, and I
They
didn't
were
like
good.
I didn't like the ketchup, and I didn't like the peppery lemon pepper or whatever the heck they were bagels.
Bottom 3 for me is the ketchup chips.
Oh, I thought you loved them.
Well, I
Oh,
do
they're
love them,
so
but I'm talking about as
good.
far as the bottom. This is third from the bottom.
Oh,
Third from the bottom.
third from the bottom.
Now the ketchup chips. Second to the bottom is the truffle chips.
Yeah, those were. That'd probably be where my ketchup ones are.
Yeah. And dead last is the
Mm-hmm.
Terrellini
We agree on that.
limon e pepe.
A pepe. Gross. The dogs will get those.
Yeah, they'll be dog treats.
Thank you
yeah.
so much for watching. Let us know if you want any more of these. Welcome to the family, or should I say familia. And I'm sorry about the dog. There's nothing I can do. But if, it bothers you, then please don't watch. I wouldn't want to bother you.
Oh, and let us know in the comments if you want which box should be picked next.
Yeah, which boxes
New
are there?
Zealand.
New Zealand?
Indonesia or Australia.
Okay. Yeah, let us know down below. And thank Angie for her doing her unboxings because I love them. And I'll put a link to her channel down below if you want to go watch her review channel. She does a bunch of reviews on a bunch of stuff, and I watch it all the time. So go check that out. Look down below for a link if you would like to purchase a box. You don't have to get the Italian box. You can get whatever they have.
Yeah, they let you pick them certain ones, I think,
Yeah.
in the beginning.
And then you can get like certain price ranges. So, you know, you can do it like that. And yeah, we love you guys. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Thanks for hanging in. We thought, oh, let's just sit down and try it. And the dog didn't want to cooperate. But
next time we're doing it at the table.
Yeah. So it'd be easier at the table so he can't get at us. But yeah, love you guys. Bye.
Hey, Luther. Luna, do you want to try the terrillini? Limon de pepper? Sit. Oh, great catch. Good catch. Luther doesn't even like it.
He's not eating it.
Luna's eating it.
You're going to come sit over here, get my new clean blanket dirty?
Ah!
Good. On Daddy's side. That's the way it should be. Oh,
Luna.
jeez. Luna ate it all?
Is that good? Is that good? Oh, now you like it.
Throw in one more.
All right.
See
You
if
gonna
you
catch?
can show how good we're training them to catch. But
You gonna catch one more? Sit. Yeah, good catch.
good boy.
Luna, you're the worst.
Lost it.
You gotta catch it.
You
All
can
right.
give her another one. All right, well, the dogs will eat them, so that's good.
All right. Bye.